Hi, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Earlier today, I did see the new Barbie movie, which inspired me for this sparkly pink sweet treat. This recipe is fruity with a little razzle dazzle. Alright, I'm gonna list the ingredients. Let's get started. First, let's start with the bowl. I have some strawberry milk here. Let's add the strawberry milk to the bowl. I have a can here of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to add that to the bowl. Next, I have a container of extra creamy Cool Whip. We're going to add the whole container to the bowl. Now, let's mix. If it's still lumpy, just keep mixing. Alright, perfect. Now I noticed once I added that Cool Whip, it turned that pink color in the strawberry milk a creamy white. So what we're gonna do today is use some food coloring. I have Wilton's icing colors. To get that pink color, I'm going to use pink rosa. Grab a little pink food coloring, like so, and drop it in there. Something to mix with.
2 hours later.
Mix. I'm adding a little more pink, and then mix. You guys, we did it! Look how pretty and bright this pink is. So we're going to add the lid. And now it's time to hop it in the freezer.
2 hours later.
Check out this pretty pink. I have a cute little cup for the ice cream to go inside, and an ice cream scoop. See how smoothly it just goes right into a bowl. Bloop. Yummy, yummy. I'm gonna grab some extra Cool Whip to add on top. We're gonna add a little razzle dazzle. I have this Wilton's Gold Sanding Sugar Sprinkle. Add the sprinkles on top. So the ice cream can sparkle and shine. I have some dried strawberries, soft and juicy, and sprinkle them right on top. You can use fresh strawberries, but today I'm using dried strawberries. Here, get a closer look. now it's time for my favorite part of every video. Let's try it. Here, you have the first bite. Good, isn't it? Okay, now my turn. Oh, that is so good. Well, that's my time for today. Don't forget to like this video, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. And I'll see you next time. All right, cooking and kisses. Bye.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie